Hello guys, my name is Pankaj and today's topic is for unauthorized colonies from that PM UDAY. It's Pradhan Mantri Unauthorized Colonies in Delhi Awas Adhikar Yojana. So if you are residing in Delhi and you want to register yourself, that means you want to register your property, that registry. So you have to follow all the details on government DDA portal that has been launched on 16th of December 2019. So today I'm going to teach you how you can go through with all the details and you can just fill it out and submit that form to the DDA office. So first you have to type dda.org.in, and after that you will find a page, Delhi Development Authority, where you find lots of options: PM UDAY, cell, outlets, master plan, housing, land, payments, grievances, property search, master fee, and other. That is already launched by DDA. And for us, we have one link with us. This is PM UDAY cell. You have to click on this. After clicking on that particular option, you will get this page where all the details are related with unauthorized colony. So you will find here the empanelment order of GIS agency for geo coordination key plan, list of empaneled GIS agency for geo coordination key plan, PM UDAY application portal, list of 1731 unauthorized colonies including affluency uses, details of help desk under PM UDAY boundaries portal. So these are the below all the further steps you have to go through this, so you can easily know how you can just go through with application form. So option third, PM UDAY application portal, we have to click it here only. So what you will find, that a new login page. So here we have page of PM UDAY. There are 5 options over here: home, introduction, help desk, processing center, instructions. So as you can see, there are 10,829 applicants are already been registered here. So this is basically for the application for confirming property rights in unauthorized colony in Delhi. So if you have already registered yourself, so you have to log in directly from here. If it is not, so in that case the step is for registration. You have to click on this. So this is the form, will come up with all the details. Get registered from PM UDAY. So this is the name, first name. What is the name of your documents according to your deeds? You have to fill it out. Middle if it is, and last name. Select father or spouse name, mother name, house or flat, street, colony, district, pin code, and after that property details, the colony name, colony registration number, select one. It's been date, but you have to select any of the plot or a house number, street name, area, square yard, and that is in square meter also. You can put your mobile number over here and just send OTP, and when you will get your OTP, you can just put it here and answer this question, capture, and submit it. So this is the video about how you can fill. So thank you very much guys.